Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Well, we meet again in English class. Today, we will study about procedure text. Do you know what procedure text is? Let's have a little discussion. Have you ever made an instant noodle? That's the example of procedure text. Here are the other example of procedure text. How to make an envelope, how to make a mango juice, and an iron manual guide. So, what is procedure text? It is a text that tells someone what to do or to do it. Two familiar forms are recipe and manual. To make a procedure text, study these 4 points. The social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of series. The communicative purpose is to describe how something is made through a sequence of actions. The generic structure is goal or aim, materials or ingredients, and steps or methods. Then how to write a procedure text? Study this language feature. Now, please observe this recipe. Then, compare with this manual. Procedure text can be in written and spoken. Goal in written is rawon. In spoken is I'd like to explain how to make rawon. How to make gedok lindri? Let me show you how to make gedok lindri. Materials in written 3 pins chicken stock. In spoken 3 pins of chicken stock. 2 lemons squeezed. Squeeze the lemon. Steps in written 1. Put stock into a pan and heat until boiling. In spoken, first, put the stock into this pan and heat until boiling. Now, observe the manual in written and spoken. The first point is parts. Then, observe the methods in manual, in written, and spoken. Thank you. Be smart and good character students. Goodbye. See you.